Hello viewers, welcome to Zeegoals. Today my topic is formatting fonts and text alignment. So first of all, we write something here. Now we change the format of this text. First select it and change the size of this text. I think it's look better. Now we click on font. When we click on the drop down menu, its dialog box will open and there we have different styles of fonts. You can see. I want to select this one and I want to change the color of this text. Now we will learn how to do alignment, and here we have alignment options. If you want to your text in the left side, you can select align left, and if you want to your text in the center, you can click on the center alignment, and if you want to your text in the right side, you can click on the right align. And if you want to justify the text, justify means that the text will be adjusted in the complete line. For example, I want to justify this text. You can see. First select it and click on justify. Now you can see the results. Now we know about line spacing. First select it and click on line spacing. Line spacing in the distance between lines. You can see. I think it's look better. So it was today's topic. I hope you learn. If you wanna learn, so keep watching my videos. Thank you.